Dealing with flooding in their apartments tonight. Take a look at this video. It's from a complex on Hollywood Road. Residents that we spoke with say the flooding started coming through the roof, the sprinklers, the lights, and even the vents. Residents told us they were looking for somewhere to go. Certainly not the conditions you want for yourself, your family, your pets out there. And about a mile away from the complex, our cameras found this massive downed tree. This video from Hollywood Road as well in Hightower Drive. The tree blocking off the whole road, causing cars to have to turn around. And there are more chances for rain that are on the way as we head to Friday. Let's get you to our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb. Really some bad conditions we keep seeing over the last couple of days.
And the pattern's going to continue through tomorrow, Saturday, and then hopefully the rain chances coming down a little bit for the second half of the weekend. Now, even with those rain chances sticking with us, it's not going to be a total rain out. We are still going to have some dry hours around. Tonight, we've been watching some of these showers. They ramped up over on the east side where we had some of that heavy rain that is now diminishing out I-20 on the east side. Earlier tonight on the north and west side, we had that cell that moved through. That prompted a severe thunderstorm warning in the 6 o'clock hour tonight with really heavy rain and a lot of lightning and 60-mile-an-hour winds. That quickly moved away as well. We still have these over on the east side now out I-20. We're beginning to see that thunder and lightning diminishing somewhat, and then a few more of those showers down into parts of central Georgia. We'll see more rain chances tomorrow. Another thing we're watching, Aaron is leaving. It's pulling away, taking those outer bands and taking the rough surf with it. Things are starting to calm down here on the East Coast. In fact, the tropical storm warning for North Carolina and Virginia is now no longer in effect since that system is pushing out of the area, and it'll continue moving away over the next couple of days here. So for tonight, we're still going to have a few clouds around, a low risk for a little isolated shower in the morning, and then once we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, more rain chances coming back at about 50%. We'll talk more about that coming up. Plus, a reminder to you at any time, you can go to Weather Impact 24/7 on 11 Alive Plus. We did multiple extended live streams today as we were watching those storms that moved through our area, and you can find that and other weather content there on Weather Impact 24/7 on 11 Alive Plus.